Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 2-inch semi-trash water transfer pump. Powered by a Champion 212cc engine, this unit is capable of pumping up to 158 gallons per minute and passing solid waste up to a ½ inch in diameter. Perfect for agricultural jobs, around the house, or during an emergency. This unit comes standard with everything you need, including a 12-foot suction hose with filter and a 25-foot discharge hose, clamps, adapters, fittings, nylon tape, and a handy accessory bag to keep everything organized. And the wheel kit with never flat wheels makes it easy to get this pump from one job to the next. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to fully access the unit. Attach the wheel kit. Add oil to the unit. Move the unit outside. Add gasoline to the unit. Connect the discharge hose. Connect the suction hose. Prime the pump. Start the unit. And get to work. Champion's 2-inch semi-trash water transfer pump. The powerful, dependable tool you need to get the job done.